Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change group ID in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change group ID in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8, open shell. First of all, I am going to check my group. Type tail-5 etc group. Now hit enter and look here. I have a group named group 1 and its ID is 1006. Now I'm going to change this ID. Type the command group mod -g. Type the new ID 5000 and type the group name. My group name is group 1. Now hit enter. Command is executed. Now I am going to check tail-5/etc group. Hit enter and look, the group 1 ID has been changed to 5000. This is the easiest way to change group ID on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.